Yeah, good afternoon. This is the most fantastic project. This is hilarious. This is great. This is the best we ever have done. I'm not selling an Apple iPhone, don't worry. We've been working on this for quite some time now, and the project itself has a lot of opportunities. We all want to make our legislation, our legal data quite available. We want to build on foundations where we can in the future can use other technologies like artificial intelligence, etc. So we do have a lot of things to go on. The project itself started, and I think I would like to make a reference and maybe also rock up a bit here this audience, because it is pretty calm, you're right. So make a reference to something completely different. I think here. You all remember this. What is Queen? Queen is a story of people coming together of different talents. They made a surprising result that came out of it, which is very emotional music, and even now it revives again with the latest movie coming out. So here again it shows that audacity, creativity, decisiveness, and belief is a key to success. In the ILI project, it's similar. We were a couple out there, believed in the project, we pushed it forward, and I think we made it. We made a really difference in the legal world nowadays. And for me, it's very important to thank all those who have been contributing to this project over the years. A couple are in the audience. I hope there's a lot there on the internet looking at this video. Again, many thanks to all of you. All those talents, well, a common goal, a European goal, or beyond, can prove that it is feasible and was a lot of fun. This being said, ILI implementers, here they are. There are a lot out of there already in those couple of years. We heard Spain is coming on board. Spain is already on board, actually, and they should be going live pretty soon. And I think this will be an excellent use case for a lot, given the complexity of how they publish and complexity of their national system with multiple official journals. So really, we're looking forward to this, and I know it's going to be a huge success. So ILI is built on 3 pillars. I won't go too far into it. So it's really identifying the legislation on the web using web technologies. So we have first pillar, second pillar, third pillar, and so I'm available for afterwards if you want to see how we can do that. There's a lot of documentation out there. You have ILI is also hosted on the website of EURLEX, where you have a lot of documentation, ILI guides, etc. So not only for those who are publishing legal, but you can also go on and reuse it for other publications. It's really up to you to decide. ILI tools, there are quite a lot to help you develop it further on, but I'm only going to go maybe into one. So you also have them there on the internet available. They are all explained very well what you can do with it. One of them is ELI and schema.org. We all know our search engines. We know Google, we know Yahoo, we know all the search engines out there. But how do they work? Well, they use an ontology, which is called schema.org. Schema.org gives you results. And with the extension of legislation to schema.org, which we proposed and which was accepted, we are hoping that we can get more enriched information on Google. In this case, for example, you could get a result tomorrow saying this directive is not in force anymore, is in force, has a consolidated version. So it's really giving better information to the users out there, to the public, so they can find the correct legislation they are looking for. This is the diagram. It's just to show off, actually. So it looks nice. The extension is there. There is the link. You can't continue implementing it. Luxembourg has implemented, and also, I think I can say it now loudly, Brazil also has implemented it in part of their legislation. So up to you to wait. Future projects. We always have projects in ELI. A lot of them are going on. So maybe one or two just. Extension for draft legislation. ELI for the moment is really when you publish your legislation, when it goes on the internet, when you want to add more information so search engines can understand it, machines can understand it. It's really computer-readable information, so it's really using the core of semantic webs. So extension to draft legislation is pretty important for parliaments to move on. So we can really build a bridge between the publishers and the deciders. We also have a project going on with alignment of legal vocabularies. You have a booth out there about vocabulary with official publication. Also there we have a very nice project going on, a research project to see how can we cross all those references using Eurovoc and national vocabularies to give a better service to the citizens. It's really providing a better service. Conclusions. Yeah, I would love to build a really semantic legal web. We are on our way. There's still a lot of work to do. We have this famous I word there. Shall I dare to say it? Interoperability. I'm pretty bad at that too. It is a very common and flexible solution. So you really can build on top of yours. You can go further on. You can do it in steps, which is very, very important, because all of us have budgets to respect. All of us have existing systems. So it's up to you to see where you want to go on. And of course, especially, it's human readable and machine readable. So now, where can you step in? How can you help to develop this further on? It's really, we all need your help to put this legal word in words that everybody can understand. Everybody has access to it. And especially, we can interconnect legal information with other information. Would it be statistics? Would it be GPS information? It's really out there, and it's a matter of now of doing it and going further on. This would be the video. It's 2 minutes long, so I would have time, even if you said no, but I won't show it. It's out there. Otherwise, here's the link in the slides. It really explains in a nice way, with less good music than I had before, what is ELI about. Thanks you very much.
Thank you very much. So we'll take